Welcome to virtual class of Physical Education class 11. Lesson 5 Yoga. Today topic is Yog Nindra. Relaxation techniques or improving concentration. Yog Nindra. Yog Nindra means sleep with awareness. Yog Nindra is a state of mind in between wakefulness and dreams. In normal sleep, we sleep without awareness, but in Yog Nindra, we sleep with awareness. Yog Nindra is helpful in the management of stress. It relaxes body and mind and reduces tension. Yog Nindra is practiced in Savasana. It consists of body awareness and breath awareness. The awareness is rotated in quick succession through all parts of the body, then it is taken to the breath and finally to the mind. Lie supine in the Savasana, take deep breath and feel comfort, completely relaxed. Phase 1 Body Awareness. Rotated your awareness is different part of the body. Relax the right first big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, sole of foot, heel, ankles, calf muscles, knee, eyes, and right up hip. Similarly, relax the left first toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, sole of foot, heel, ankle, calf muscle, ankle, thigh, and left hip. Second phase, breath awareness. Now focus your attention on breath. Feel the flow of your normal breath. Do not change it. Feel the movement of nostril with each breath. Now you focus your attention on the movements of the abdominal area during breathing. Abdominal fall and rise with each exhalation and inhalation. Phase 3 Coming back. To come back becomes aware of your body and be aware of the time and place you are in. Move your fingers, toe and heels from one side to other side. Take your one time, be wide ankles, be side awake, slowly sit up and open your eyes very slowly. Benefits of Yoga Nindra. The practice of Yoga Nindra has a number of benefits. Important among them are flaws. Minimize tension. A high percentage of people remains in a state of tension and frustration. This condition level of tensions in the body, mind and emotions predisposes the individual towards psychological and psychosomatic disorders. Modern psychology as well as yogic philosophy believes in three kinds of tension: muscular tensions, emotional tensions, and mental tension, which can be progressively released through the systematic and regular practice of Yoga Nidra. Trains the mind. The sankalp taken in each session of Yog Nidra is perhaps the most effective techniques of training and mind. The sankalpa is taken and sawn in the subconscious mind when it is relaxed and receptive. The sankalpa helps in training and mind because it is planned when the mind is relaxed and ready to absorb and accept it. The essential thing it is that the resolve should be planned with strong willpower and feelings. Relax the mind. The brain is the linking meditator between the mind, body, and emotions. In yoga, nidra, intensifying the awareness of the body stimulates the brain when the awareness is rotated on the different body parts. It not only induces physical relaxation but also clears the nerve pathway to the brain, clears up the unconscious. All the traumatic experiences, unful- unfulfilled desires, and threatening situations are suppressed in the deeper realms of the mind during the practice of Yoga Nidra. The practitioners visualize certain symbols and images with a witnessing attitude. Awakens creativity. When the mind and totally relaxed, the awareness slowly enters and deeper realms of the mind and the person becomes aware of the creativity and intuitive faculties. Regular practice of Yoga Nidra help to making the bridge between conscious and unconscious mind. Slowly one becomes turned with the unconscious weakness and then the power of creativity automatically awakens, enhances memory and learning capacity. The techniques of Yoga Nidra is helpful in increase learning and memory capacity. When Yoga Nidra is used to education, both hemispheres of the student's brain are involved in learning the subject, whereas classroom teachings and the left hemispheres functions more. In this way, the practice of Yoga Nidra involves the total mind in learning. Counteracts stress. When the demands of the situations exceed the ability of the individuals, then stress results, which may manifest in mental and physical symbols of abnormality. The practice of Yoga Nidra helps to building up the coping ability. The practitioner of Yoga Nidra slowly becomes aware of the inherent dormant potentialities and thus prevents himself from the becoming a victim of distress. Manages psychological disorders. When an individual falls to adjust to the situations, then distress results. Some individuals are prone to developing distress due to their unconscious urge to remain tense. When distress continues for a long period. It may result to psychological disorders like neurosis or even psychosis. In the practice of Yoga Nidra, the inherent tendency to become tense is rooted out in the individual start viewing the situation as less demanding. Manage psychosomatic diseases when the tensions, conflicts, and frustrations of the mind manifest in the form of physical symbols. These diseases are termed as psychosomatic disease. Yoga Nidra aims at relaxing and the suppressed and repressed conflict from the unconscious, thereby relaxing the mind. Thank you.